welcome to my little corner of the internet. Lately, I've been seeing Blank Street's summer matchas everywhere. They're very cute, very aesthetic, but always just a little too sweet for me. And if you're also a matcha snob, never enough matcha flavor. And also $7. So in this video, I thought I would try recreating them at home. We still get the Blank Street vibes, but way more budget friendly. And I think it's actually way better. And I have personally tested all of these for the perfect ratios, but feel free to adjust them as you like. And the drinks that I'll be recreating are the blueberry matcha, white chocolate matcha, and of course the viral strawberry shortcake matcha. So let's get into it. And here we have our beautiful blueberry matcha. I just love seeing all the layers on it. Let's try it. Oh yeah. That's so good. It has the perfect amount of blueberry flavor and you can still taste the matcha too. You don't taste the drop of ube that much, but there's just a hint of it in the background that I think really helps bring out the blueberry flavor too. So good. Okay, so next is the white chocolate matcha. I'm filming these on different days because I cannot finish all the matchas in one day and I would be an over-caffeinated mess if I drank all of them, so. Chocolate matcha. This is good. You still get the sweetness from the white chocolate, but you can still taste the matcha in this. It's like a winter drink that snuck into summer. I'd 100% make this again when I want something comforting, but also simple to make. And then last but not least, we have the strawberry shortcake matcha. This is so beautiful. Let's give it a taste. Ooh, this looks so good. This is amazing. I can totally see why the strawberry shortcake flavor went viral. It's so good. It's like if a dessert and a drink had a baby, it would be this. It's so creamy and delicious. Definitely getting the strawberry shortcake vibes. But my only problem with getting it at Blank Street, I feel like you just taste cake, you don't taste matcha. But since we can make it at home, we can adjust the recipe to how we like it. And so I use a little less cake syrup and a little more matcha. And I can say this is definitely more balanced, but you still get strawberry shortcake and matcha. Delicious. So creamy and not too sweet. So yeah, we do have Blank Street at home, and it's actually good because you get to make it exactly how you like it. And let me know if you try any of these recipes. I'm curious to know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Bye!